Hey, it's Abbas, aka AB, come back to Miss Aguilar's class with some extra credit. Gonna explain some checkpoints. I'm gonna do checkpoint 3A. Let's begin it with number 2, m to the power of 0, and the answer is 1, because anything to the power of 0 is 1, because pretty much the way that I think of it, I think the way it is that, for example, if you have 2 to the power of 1, that's equal to just 2, but you're not multiplying this or anything, so I put an imaginary 1 there, which is 2, right? But if I put a 2 there, that's going to equal 1 times 2 times 2, right? Which is equal to, of course, 4, which is 2 squared. Now, if you have 2 to the power of 0, you haven't began multiplying this 1 that's always here by anything. So it's because 0 is nothing. I'm not going to multiply by 0. So it's just 1. So 2 to anything to the 0 power is 1, because you haven't started multiplying that number to 0. Alright? So that's pretty much why m to the power of 0 is 1. Alright? Now let's do number 11, which is 9 to the power of 1 over 2, and the answer is 3. Because pretty much the way that you're going to explain this is that 1 over half is the equivalent of the square root of 9, right? Because this is actually 9 to the power of 1 over 2. But if you're just going to do the kind of like, not the inverse, but just a different way of writing it, you're going to bring the 2 over here, and it's going to do like that. That's why it's called a square, right? That's why it's called square rooting it, because you find the square, you know, 2 side equal, whatever. All right. And then, of course, the square root of 9 is 3. All right. And pretty much to do 23 right now, you have p to the power of 15 times p to the power of negative 15, and that's going to equal 1. All right. Now, the reason that's going to happen is because, first of all, you have the same basis, which is p. So you can forget about these for now. And you can just work with the exponents. You can just multiply straight across, because you can pretty much work straight across because it's multiplication right here. So you're going to have 15 minus 15 is 0, right? And because of the bases and you're multiplying the bases, it just stays as p. And because you pretty much don't have anything right now, it's just going to be p to the power of 0, which of course is 1. Alright? Now, you could also do this, which I actually checked on the computer, checked on the calculator. P to the power, any number to the power of 15 multiplied by the same number to the power of negative 15 is going to equal 1. That's pretty much just how it is. This is pretty much why, because they have the same bases. Work straight across, you get 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Alright? Thank you.